Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, today, guess what? Is it that time of the month? Yes, we're going to be talking about my Ipsy subscription. Yes, I'm looking forward to this subscription. Yes, I did go into the bag, which this bag. Guys, look at it. It is gold with some nice royal blue, and it's just not regular gold, it's rose gold. So I'm actually loving it, and it says, and off she went to change the world. And off she went to change the world. Yes. So I'm loving this bag. It is really nice and pleathered. Definitely not leather. Inside has that rose pink, of course. I really love this bag also because there are other bags that I love. So let's get in this bag. And I did look and use some of the products this morning, so I am not brand new to it. All right, I was trying to get my laptop up to figure out the cost of these things. Anyway, the first thing is the card. Now, again, I'm loving what they're doing with the cards. They're giving the description of the products with the cards. Definitely not the cost, but they just give you a breakdown of what the products are. So the first thing that I have is the Morphe Mini Bronzer Blogger. Yes, I love this. I use it this morning after I put on my Fenty to contour. I went ahead and used this to sort of set it. And it says a bronzer encourages everyone to express their creativity, which is what makeup is all about in our opinion, and in mine too. It's about expressing your creativity. Again, and this is from Morphe, and it's a really nice shade to go over or to set any contour, I just lost my thought here. All right, guys, let's see. The next thing that I have is the Milena Base Makeup Bronze Unknown High Quality on Trend. Is actually an eye pencil, and I left it on my makeup stand. I was supposed to use it. It's actually green. So it's a regular eye pencil, and it's actually green, from Lord & Berry. Never heard of Lord & Berry, but guys, let me tell you, you get to try out some products you never heard of. So Lord & Berry, again, is an eye pencil. It's called the Supreme Green. Supreme Green. So, you know, it could be really nice in your waterline. Really nice. All right, and the next thing that I have in my bag, again, I did not have that pencil to show, and I was not about to get up and get it. The next thing that I have is from Space Case. I think I heard about this brand. I don't have anything from them, but that's the packaging. Okay. And this is eyeshadow. It says Alien Love Child. Now, if I was a child, you tell me something about an alien, I would get really scared. Okay, this is the Alien Love Child. It says a lavender shade with violet blue flickered, can be applied wet or dry with your finger or a brush. It blends smooth like a butter and wears for hours without creasing. Plus, all the Paste Case eyeshadow is cruelty free. I don't really know what cruelty free is, but anyway. So this is the eyeshadow, and it's lavender. Yeah, I like that. Really do. So you can either use this wet or dry. That would be really nice with a purple look, like if you're trying to do a smoky purple eye look. Yeah, this one works really well. Again, this is from Paste Case Cosmetic. Don't let me tear their name up. All right, so the next thing that we have is from Pharmacy Green, and it's a Cleanse Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Never heard of Pharmacy. It smells like lime green. Anything will smell good at this point. But anyway, that's what, it's like a lime green. And it's a makeup cleanser. It says this farm to face skin brand fuse nature and science to create product rich in all natural ingredients like turmeric, sunflower, ginger root oil. Ginger root, that's my favorite thing, anything ginger. Papaya enzyme. This balm melts away all trace of makeup, even waterproof, leaving your skin fresh and smooth. Yes, yes ma'am. Right, so that's what this is, a makeup remover in a palm. Wow, and this is, wow. I'm looking forward to try this Pharmacy Green Cleanse Makeup Melt Away Balm. All right, the next thing that we have is what I'm wearing on my lip. Okay, and this is from Real and joined together. Real. It says, I am adoptable. That's the name of the shade. I'm adoptable. Melt. It says a matte liquid lipstick. Matte liquid lipstick from I'm Adoptable. And the brand is Ream Her. Never heard. But that's what I'm wearing. It's a really beautiful red. You know, a red lipstick can take you anywhere. So yes, it says this brand mission is to inspire women to love themselves. I already do. Love themselves. With each product comes with a written reminder to celebrate your individuality. This matte bright red shade was created with athlete Misty Diaz. You all need to put up the story on Misty Diaz. She's actually, not saying handicap, but she had an accident and she no longer can walk. Misty Diaz, which this is a long-lasting, high pigmented, and it's nourishing for your lips. So this is really for a good cause. Misty Diaz, again, is Mistydiaz. Pull up the story on Google about her. I mean, it's really interesting. I did go and check it out because I wanted to know who was Misty Diaz and what was the story behind her. And I'm trying to get my laptop up to see if I could find the story about her, just to give you guys a rundown quickly. But yeah, Misty Diaz, she had so many health issues. So I am really happy that there is a brand out there that really think about people in that light, and you know, to do a look, makeup for them or a look. She has no legs, like absolutely no legs. It says, if you put it up on CNN, it says Misty Diaz showed no fear as she lined up for the Red Bulletin 400. So she wanted to compete to run. A brutal foot race straight up an Olympic ski jump in a park in Utah. In fact, the 34-year-old compete in more than 200 obstacles and endurance race, all of them crushed. So she's doing really good. You need to look at it. She has no legs and she's amazing, like amazing, fearless. She let nothing hold her back. She did not let her disability hold her back. And you guys get me talking about this. I'm about to preach, because many of us at times, even myself, let our disability actually handicap us more than we actually are. So anyway, I would love for you guys, even if you're not going to subscribe or get a subscription from Ipsy, but to go out and get this lipstick, because it's for a good cause and behind a very strong woman. Again, the brand is Real, which is R-E-A-L-R-E-R. So Real. And the color or the shade is I'm Adoptable. Please pull it up on Google and check it out, okay? Now, that pencil that I was talking about, which was the Lord and Berry pencil, that's what it looks like. Now I can tell you, I love it. It goes on really smoothly, so it's really easy to smoke out. Like, look at that. I completely blend and smoke that out. I love that. Yeah, really. So it really works well in your waterline. Anyway, guys, that's all I have from the Ipsy subscription, and that's for the month of March. Yes, that was for the month of March. And I love the card. It says, wait, there is more. More girl power. Anything about girl power, I am down. So that's all I have, guys. I will not keep this video going forever and forever and forever. Thank you guys for watching. Please, please, I'm wearing a new foundation. And this is how I'm going to get y'all to talk to me. If you can leave me a comment below and tell me what shade y'all think or what foundation y'all think I tried, leave it down below. I'm going to surprise y'all with something, but I'm not going to say what it is. Just leave a comment below and tell me. I'm not going to even give any clues because I want to make sure y'all really work hard to get this. It's a new foundation that I've always said I wanted to try out. I finally got me some samples and I'm actually wearing one and I love it. Like, love it. I'm about to do a video on it, so that's why I'm not giving the scoops on it yet. You understand? So anyway, guys, that's all I have. Leave me a comment below with what foundation I'm wearing. Subscribe. Ask me any question. You guys feel free to ask me any questions. Share these videos. Give me a thumbs up. And subscribe. Turn on that notification bell, please. So whenever I upload a video, you guys will be notified of that. Okay? Anyway, guys, that's all I have. I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye-bye.